Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome to Coach Manish, your go-to guide for tech career advice, specially made for students in India. Today, we're diving into an exciting and high-potential topic: how to become a data scientist or data analyst in 2025. With the world running on data and every company, from startups to giants, making data-driven decisions, this is one of the most in-demand and future-proof career paths out there. So, if you're curious, confused, or just getting started, this video will guide you step by step. Let's begin. Why choose a career in data science or data analytics? Data is everywhere, from your YouTube recommendations to your food delivery app suggestions. And every swipe, tap, or search creates more data. Companies are using this to predict customer behavior, optimize operations, and improve products. According to NASCOM, India alone is expected to need over 11 million data professionals by 2026. Roles like data scientist, data analyst, business intelligence analyst, and machine learning engineer are seeing 40% year-on-year growth. And the best part? These roles are not limited to tech companies. Sectors like healthcare, finance, e-commerce, marketing, education, even sports, are hiring data professionals. What's the difference between data scientist and data analyst? Let's clear the confusion. A data analyst focuses on analyzing existing data to create reports, dashboards, and insights for business decisions. Think of it as interpreting what happened and why. A data scientist, on the other hand, builds models, uses machine learning, and predicts what will happen, or even what should happen. It's a more technical and forward-looking role. Both roles are crucial, and many professionals start as analysts before transitioning into data science. What skills do you need in 2025? Whether you want to become a data scientist or an analyst, there are core skills you must master. 1. Programming languages. Start with Python. It's beginner-friendly and widely used in data. Learn R if you're leaning towards statistics-heavy work. Also, know SQL to query and manage databases. 2. Data visualization tools. You'll need tools like Tableau, Power BI, or even Python libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn to present your findings. Employers love professionals who can simplify complex data through visuals. 3. Statistics and mathematics. A good grip on concepts like probability, distributions, regression, and hypothesis testing is critical. 4. Machine learning and AI for data scientists. Start with supervised and unsupervised learning. Understand how algorithms work, and explore platforms like TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, and PyTorch. 5. Excel and business intelligence for analysts. Excel remains a strong foundational tool. Learn advanced formulas, pivot tables, and dashboards. 6. Soft skills. Communication, critical thinking, and storytelling are often overlooked but essential. You must explain your data to non-technical stakeholders. How can you learn these skills? Here are 4 effective learning paths. 1. Formal education. Pursue a bachelor's or master's in computer science, statistics, mathematics, or data science. Many Indian universities now offer data-focused degrees and electives. 2. Online platforms. Use Coursera, edX, Simplilearn, Upgrad, and Udacity. Recommended courses include Google's Data Analytics Professional Certificate and IBM's Data Science Specialization. 3. Bootcamps. Join short-term, intensive bootcamps like those offered by Scalar, Grey Atom, or Data Science Dojo. These focus on projects and job readiness. 4. Self-study. Explore free resources on Kaggle, YouTube, GitHub, or blogs like Towards Data Science. Build your own study path using books like Python for Data Analysis or Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn. How to gain experience, even without a job yet? 1. Internships. Apply to internships through LinkedIn, Internshula, and Naukri. Even unpaid roles can give you real-world exposure and projects for your resume. 2. Personal projects. Pick a dataset on Kaggle or download open government data. For example, analyze COVID-19 cases, cricket scores, or Zomato restaurant data. Use GitHub to showcase your work. 3. Freelance or contribute. Look for freelance gigs on Fiverr, Upwork, or contribute to open-source data projects on GitHub. 4. Hackathons and competitions. Participate in Kaggle competitions, analytics video hackathons, or college-level coding events. These help you build credibility and network with professionals. What does the future look like? In 2025 and beyond, data roles will get more specialized. For example, data engineers will manage infrastructure. ML engineers will deploy models. Data scientists will explore deep learning and generative AI. Analysts will work closely with business teams. Also, ethical data use, data privacy, and AI accountability will be top priorities. You'll need to understand not just how to use data, but how to use it responsibly. Final tips before you start your journey. 1. Build a portfolio. Create a GitHub or personal website showcasing your projects, dashboards, and notebooks. 2. Keep practicing. Data is like a language. The more you speak it, the better you get. 3. Stay updated. Follow influencers on LinkedIn, subscribe to newsletters, and join communities like Data Talks, Analytics India Magazine, or Reddit's r/data science. 4. Be patient. It might take 6 to 12 months of consistent learning before landing your first role. Don't rush, trust the process. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Coach Manish for more career guidance on tech and data-related fields. Got questions about your own path? Drop them in the comments, and we'll try to cover them in upcoming videos. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and build your future, one skill at a time.